Namaskar friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So friends, in this video we will have our discussion on the weekly horoscope results for the week of January 5th till January 12th. So friends, the whole horoscope has been designed via giving attention to, first of all, too much planetary concentration right now in the Sagittarius sign, because if too many planets are going to be concentrated over there, the whole weight of the chart of the kundali flows in that direction. And along with that, any weekly horoscope gets designed via observing the movement of the planet moon. So moon will start the week being in the Cancer sign. When it is going to be in the Cancer, it is going to be receiving the 8th aspect of the planet, planet Mars. Once it will enter in the Leo sign, it is going to get conjunct with Ketu over there. And once at the end of the week, when moon is going to be transiting in the Virgo sign, where it will end its week, it is going to be receiving the straight aspect from the planet Saturn and kind of making a Gaj Kesari, like a angular Kendra combination with the planet Jupiter. So that is going to be the whole script of this week. Friends, most likely I don't think so I will be able to edit this video. Saturn transiting from my 12th house. I'm like hardly sleeping once in 48 hours. So last night was in a night shift, and now in the day I have to go for a meditation retreat, a 3-day retreat which I am a part of. So yes, I will highly appreciate if you can cooperate and can write the timestamp in the comment section for everyone's help. Okay friends, now let's start our discussion. So starting first with the Aries Lagna natives. So friends, for the Aries Lagna, beyond any doubt, the overall week's look and feel looks like to be that luck right now is by your side. Anything to do with the travels or visa, immigration, enrollment for any course, any learning, pilgrimage point of view, the overall look and feel of this week seems to be much more in your favor. The week will start on this note where we can say that some auspicious news can be expected from the family in the matters of the domestic life, or some sort of camaraderie get together with the family members. The mid of the week is going to be slightly stressful. Now this stress could either come from the children, this stress could come from your girlfriend, from your boyfriend. For some people this might be the stress on the account of their academics, but in general the mid of the week looks like to be filled with the stress. So just guard yourself from overthinking, and also if you have to take any important decision, the mid of the week your mental health looks like to be a little bit destabilized. So much better if you're not confident, and also if you're running some sensitive vulnerable dasha as well, get some expert advice from someone, then only give your final nod for something. And friends, at the end of the day, like the end of the week is going to be where, let's say for example, if you're like you have to write any competitive exam, you're planning to arrange any money from the market, or if there is any court hearing, you have to go through any court trial or lawsuit or litigation related concerns, stars seems to be a lot in your favor. So for the students and all, the stars for this week seems to be very supportive for the Aries Lagna. Now friends, when we talk about the Taurus Lagna natives, so for the Taurus Lagna natives, friends, there is a sensitivity which is happening, which is surrounding you right now, with too much planetary concentration in your 8th house, with your ascendant lord, your 7th lord, majority of the planets being part of that. So then that means whenever 8th house is in such a accentuated state, problems, scandal, controversy come looking for us. So the more you can refrain from getting yourself entangled into any of these situations, it will work out much better for you. Because friends, in your case, Rahu is already transiting in your 10th house, and Rahu loves conspiracy, gossip, scandals. So much better guard yourself from that point of view. Friends, the week will start on a good note, like anything to do with the travels, or those who are like freelance content creator and all, or if you have to wrap up any of the chores, any short travels and all. So that is the energy which will surround or which will keep you busy and occupied. The social obligation at the start, at the beginning of the week. Mid of the week seems to be slightly stressful. Now this is the weakest point of this week, where domestic life, family life, and sometimes what happen is that sometimes when female book their reading with me, especially the mother-in-laws and the mothers, Nipun, my daughter-in-law said that thing to me, her that comment pierced my heart. So it's just like that. In the domestic life, family life, there might be some sort of challenges, and my advice to you is that don't take everything very personal to your heart, especially while dealing with the family related matters and all. Also friends, not a very good energy for any land or property related dealings, engagement, those who are like planning to buy a new vehicle or start some renovation, construction, not a very supportive energy, at least for this week. And yes friends, around the end of the week, like those who are like anything to do with the academics or people who are like connected with the stock market trading, so slight fluctuation is going to be there. So overall the week at the beginning seems to be much more in control and command, but then it's like slightly filled with stress, uncertainty. So my recommendation to the Taurus Lagna, if you have to take any important decision this week, take that with proper caution and care. Now friends, when we talk about the Gemini, so for the Gemini Lagna, the week could start with some good financial inflow. And also if you are connected with business and all, the week seems to be carrying some very supportive energy. Anything to do with the like expansion of your business, anything to do with the matrimonial matters and all, star seems to be very supportive. It's just like that friends, the mid of the week is carrying that energy where there might be some strong argument or debate or confrontation with someone in your social circle. This could be a friend, this could be a neighbor, this could be a co-worker. So just don't take things to your heart or don't get overly aggressive in this kind of situation. So that is the kind of energy which is going to be surrounding the mid of the week for you. And friends, the week will end on a supportive, harmonious kind of note, where we say that like finishing of the week on a relaxing note, surrounded by the family, loved ones. So that is the kind of energy which will loom around the end of the week. Also if you are planning to like spend money on some important purchases for the family, home appliance and all, so all of that can be considered. Like any of the domestic family related matters, housing, lease related matters can be prioritized around the end of the week. So overall friends, marriage, business, like gain in the income point of view, the week is somehow very supportive for the Gemini Lagna. Now friends, when we talk about the Cancer Lagna, so friends, for the Cancer Lagna, the overall look and feel of this week is very supportive for people who are connected with the medicine, law, you have to write any competitive exam. So stars seems to be perfectly aligned for these kind of matters, like especially if connected to your work, you're contemplating some important decision, important experiment, changes, applying for a job, asking your boss, or you have to give an important presentation, star seems to be much more supportive for you. Like you will go for any meeting perfectly, completely planned and organized. So the week will start on a very good note, like positivity, like harmonious and very motivated and optimistic. That is how the week will start. The mid of the week is creating that energy of some sort of financial losses. So if you have to take an important decision where major sum of money is involved, so at least on Wednesday, Thursday, be cautious, because it is creating that energy of some loss. This could be loss in the financial matters, or this could be some sudden financial expense which will happen in order to cater to the family needs and responsibilities of yours and all. So that energy is going to be looming around the mid of the week, and the week will finish off on a good note. Like around the end of the week, I'm sure many Cancer Lagna natives are going to be like spending time like for their hobbies, socializing, some sort of last minute travels and all. So that is how energy is going to be like flavorizing this whole week for the Cancer Lagna. But overall, friends, it's a supportive week. I'm seeing you very structured, organized, and like kind of headstrong towards the attainment of your goals. Just the mid of the week is making your financial decisions slightly vulnerable. Now friends, when we talk about the Leo Lagna natives, so for the Leo Lagna friends, anything to do with the love, romance, artistic creative work, or for the students and all, it's very supportive. I would say that you will start the week on this note that there will be some sort of travels, and even if you're like planning a travel and all, so it is going to be very fulfilling. The mid of the week is slightly sensitive, where like there is a saying in Hindi, "A bail mujhe maar," like the way you will by yourself look for confrontation or argument, or people will be like coming and like getting into fights with you, uninvited fights, like conflicts, unnecessary bothering might be the theme around the mid of the week. Health could also be slightly sensitive, friends, and I would say that if you go very extreme when it comes down to the nature, like a lot of the time news come that at some parts of the world it's like the too much of the snowstorm happening, some places excessive rain. So all what I'm trying to say, if in your line of work or your lifestyle involves going to the extreme side of the nature, dealing with the animals and all, sometimes like when Moon and Ketu are conjunct in the first house, I have also seen like in many cases where people get the electric shocks. So like it happened, I guess, once in India, in one of the railway station, the electric wire was lying there, and because of the water and something, and the lady, she was there and she got the shock. And so yeah, so I mean to say, just be very careful. Moon passing, getting conjunct with Ketu in the first house around Wednesday, Thursday, be careful of that. And yes friends, the week will end on a good note, where the flow of the money is going to be good, and I'm actually seeing you, unless and until like the typical Moon Ketu victimized situation does not happen, you seems to be in control, in complete control and command of your judgment, of your mental state, of your thought process, like in a right state to take the right decision. And yes friends, yeah, that is all what I have to say. So the week will start with the energy of the travels, overseas interest, which will be beneficial. Mid of the week is slightly sensitive, and the week will end on some good financial positive news for you. For the Virgo Lagna, so friends, for the Virgo Lagna natives, in the domestic life, there is very positivity which I am seeing for you people. I'm sure many Virgo Lagna natives will be interested these days to buy some expensive things, home decor items and all, or decorating their house, their car and all. So energy is very supportive for that. Along with that, the week will start on some good news, which will give a spike to your income. And also some good collaboration alliances point of view. The week is very supportive. It will start on that note. The mid of the week is creating that energy of pilgrimage and all, travels and all, or like if you get a chance to go for any meditation retreat, take up some yoga classes, sign up for yoga classes, mid of the week will give you very good high vibes for that. And yes friends, around the end of the week, for those people who are in the top management, or you are the face of any brand or any important like spending on your own, like self grooming, spending on your own and all, so the energy seems to be supportive for that. But overall friends, if I were to say, in majority of the venues of the life, stars seems to be supportive. There is a lot of the family support of the resources which is there at your disposal. Friends, when we talk about the Libra Lagna, so friends, for the Libra Lagna, what is happening right now, the week will fluctuate slightly, especially impacting your career. So I mean to say, the start of the week is going to be like this, where there will be sudden hope which will come. Like this could be, you will be considered for an opportunity, or suddenly your work gets recognized. But then the mid of the week, Moon getting conjunct your 10th lord, getting conjunct with Ketu in the 11th house. So this could be a case that you were the strong contender, but someone raised an objection or something happened. So yeah, the energy, so I would say in the matters of your career, don't be swayed by the flow of the wind. Like you have to be grounded. That is what is more important. Otherwise, your mood is going to be fluctuating like this. Your enthusiasm, your moral is going to be fluctuating like this. And Rahu in any case is transiting in your like 5th house, like giving you too much of the overthinking. So I mean to say, just go with the flow. Because see, friends, in your case, your 3rd house right now is very accentuated. So then that means even if, God forbid, something happens at your career front, like your bosses are mean or there's some issue with the bosses, so your co-workers, your colleagues, your own talents, your skill set, your references, your resources are going to be much more at your help, are going to be accessible only if you will not be in overthinking mode. That is what I'm trying to say. So yes, friends, the overall look and feel of this week is like the week is carrying the energy of around the end of the week. Mind is going to be very meditative, some sort of plans of travel or pilgrimage, visit to any temple, church, mosque, that kind of energy. Mid of the week will create fluctuation, and the start of the week is going to be very supportive. It will start on a very encouraging note, especially in the matters of the business. And yes, the way I have been recommending from past couple of days, like if you have any hobbies, like divert your mind over there. Like, keep yourself busy and occupied with the things which you like to do. That's all what I can say. For the marriage and the relationship, it's a supportive week. 7th Lord is in, it's combust, but still in a good dignity, I would say that. So yes, for courtship, proposing someone, asking someone out, going on a date, going for a drive. So in the matters of the relationship, energy seems to be much more balanced in control. So I'm not seeing any concern over there. Now friends, when we talk about the Scorpio Lagna, so friends, for the Scorpio Lagna, I would say that in terms of the inflow of the income, money, the overall energy is very supportive, is working in your favor. The week will start on a very good note where you will see like either there could be a travel or this could be luck will play a major role this week, like a kind of a game changer. The mid of the week, bosses could be very difficult to deal with. So much better, they are going to be very critical. So if you know that there is some flaws on which you can get a very scathing or very critical feedback, so deal with your bosses very diplomatically. And friends, around the end of the week, there might be some auspicious news, some spike in the income or some important collaboration, running into meeting some important people. This is how the week will turn out to be. In terms of the marriage and relationship, energy is not that comfortable, friends. 7th Lord is 8th from it. So in terms of the marriage, relationship, some people might also be having issues with the in-laws and all. So it's not that supportive. Also, if I were to say anything to do with the land or property related dealing, if you can avoid this week, it's going to be much better. But in rest of the cases, especially income, family point of view, the week has very strong potential. Friends, for the Sagittarius Lagna natives, so friends, in your case, a lot of the good stuff is happening, friends. A lot of the planets are transiting right over there in your 1st house. So the week will start on a slightly spiritual, meditative kind of note. Moon transiting from the 8th house. Afterwards, like many people will be interested in like especially those people who are connected with research, investigative work, higher studies, PhD, exchange program, a very supportive time for them. Like even for anything connected with pilgrimage or travel, especially religious, spiritual work and all, stars are very supportive. Like omens will support you. And friends, around the end of the week, I would say that like some important decision you can prioritize for this week. See, this is not a prediction video. This is a planning video. So for any important career moves, around the end of the week, energy is very supportive. And overall, friends, whether you are a student or anything to do with even in the matters of the relationship, courtship, marriage, proposals and all, the energy seems to be very supportive. Friends, when we talk about the Capricorn Lagna natives, so friends, for the Capricorn Lagna, lot of expenses are happening. Mind is wavering a lot. And those who are like planning, contemplating any travel, so the energy seems to be supportive for that. Any foreign, overseas or visa immigration related work can be initiated. Now friends, the week will start on a note where we can say that business is going to be a priority. See, the flow of income is good. The concern is about saving. Many people will find it difficult to save. When we talk about matters of relationship, courtship, any product launch, product release, public performance, stars are very supportive. Mid of the week is making you slightly vulnerable, especially making you or vulnerable towards some victimized kind of situation. So if you know that, I know that the area where I live, Vancouver, which places are slightly sketchy in the night time. There might be some incident which might happen, very rare possibility might happen, so much better I will not go there, right? So just be very mindful around the mid of the week. Health could be also slightly sensitive, vulnerable. And friends, the end of the week is again, stars are going to be favorable for some fortunate news. Like if you want to initiate something, you're planning a travel, you have to go for any interview, around the end of the week, like Thursday, Friday, Saturday is supportive for that. Now friends, when we talk about the Aquarius Lagna natives, so for the Aquarius Lagna friends, a lot of good stuff is happening right now. Like there is a spike in the income, you are coming in contact with important people, or important people have their positive eyes on you. So that means you are in the attention of the right crowd, right set of people, and you have this capacity that right now you can gain from anyone. This could be your spouse, this could be your enemy, or in majority of the avenues, energies are supportive for you. Friends, for anything to do with the in your job front, any important decision you have to take, any important like court case, hospital visit, any important treatment, diagnosis, stars are supportive. At the beginning of the week, it's supportive for that, being very structured, focused, disciplined in your daily affairs. The mid of the week is going to be slightly unsettling, where there might be some point of difference or sense of detachment from the spouse. And the end of the week again is going to be carrying that meditative energy of deep planning. Many Aquarius Lagna natives are going to be like motivated enough to think for like adding more channel of income, like thinking in the lines of expanding their business, their income. So stars are very supportive for that. Now friends, when we talk about the Pisces Lagna, so friends, for the Pisces Lagna natives, like if I were to say, right now in your career front, lot of the good stuff is happening. Like you are in the eyes of your bosses, your positive work, your positive traits are being reviewed by your bosses in a positive light. The week will start on a good note, especially for the students. It's very supportive. Artists, creative people, it's supportive. Mid of the week can actually make your health slightly vulnerable. So be very mindful if you're also running some sensitive dasha of guarding your health. And the end of the week is very supportive for people who are connected with business. But again friends, like the way I said, right now, like if you have a vision, if you have a dream, you want to do something big, so reach out to people, because the way your public domain right now is very empowered. So then that means whatever good stuff you are doing, the talents which you have, it can easily be recognized or picked. So, and consider yourself very fortunate if you have any important interview, any important performance scheduled for this week. So yes friends, this is something which I wanted to say as a part of my inputs. Once again, thanks a lot for watching this video, and for further more updates and notification, you know what you have to do. Thank you.